Hi friends, my name is Becky Betts. I'm a PRAVANA Senior Artistic Educator. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah, and today we're going to be going over high lifts and base breaking. Starting the sectioning off in 4 sections. It makes it super simple and clean for me to do my application. I'm just doing a partial, leaving her natural below because she likes the dimension of having the darker blondes on the bottom. Right here, I'm just trying to feather her face so I can do her face framing highlights. I'm just doing the baby highlights with 10 volume and ultra lightener. I'm doing fine sections because I want this to really be a bright blonde. Every other foil, I'm doing a slice, and every other foil, I'm doing a micro stitch. A micro stitch is a baby highlight in PRAVANA verbiage. I'm using the Cool High Lift and the Zero Lift Developer. I'm wanting to move quickly because I only want to leave this on for 5 to 7 minutes just so it can shift the roots so it is a beautiful blend. I find when I do highlights, it just helps a lot. All right, everybody, thanks for watching today. You can also watch more on pravana.com. You can also follow me on Instagram at @theblondingrebel. Have a good day.